This lesson is on loading an array from a file. And we're looking at that file right now. I've just got 6 names listed here, 1 name per line. And I'm going to use that list and this file to populate a web page with this data. But first, we're going to put it in an array and we're going to sort it. So let's go over and look at the code. And now, as you recall, to create an array, you have to have the word array with lowercase and the parentheses to create a new empty array. Here's the normal routine of getting our document.root, and we're going to refer to this file that I was showing you called teammembers.txt, team_members.txt. We get the count of the lines in file, we open the file for reading, and now we have a loop. So just like you've seen before, we're going to do a loop, but this time we're going to get information from the file. Since we opened the file, team members, this fgets reads one of the lines of the file. And I'm going to read it into something called line, $line, and then I trim $line and put it in a variable called member. I'm going to push, array push, member onto team members. And I'm going to loop through the entire file and do that. And close the file and sort. We come down to the end here and I put out the heading. This is an example, and I'm going to use the for each construct to go through this team members array as an element and print them out. And I like to use the counter here as well so we can see a counter. So let's go over to that, and we're just going to run that one here. I've already pre-typed it in the address bar. Let's press enter. And there we go. George, Jane, John, Mary, Shirley, Steve. So you can see that it has been sorted from the way it was in the file. So that's how you load an array from a file.